are good to go.
We gotta protect our ears 5 years out. Are they colored? Oh, these are insane. Why are these so big? These are like industrial level. These are crazy. Ooh, fire. So I was thinking that for my fit check, I'm actually gonna wear this. Imagine if we put this on. This is actually really cool. We see the Prize Picks logo everywhere. I'm gonna be putting one of these on tomorrow. This is foreshadowing because tomorrow I'll have one of these on probably when I'm in that little car.
We can come back here.
Whoa.